Hello, my name is Andrew from Concordia Supply, and I'm going to do an unboxing of the Rocky Railway VBS At Home Boxes. This is all the essential items that we have put together for you to build your own VBS easy boxes at home. So let's get into it. So inside of the box, you will find your package of 10 off-rail rollers, your package of 10 Hope and Hover imagination stations. So these are all the 5 imagination stations. The Bold Blaster for a package of 10. We also have our power bands, enough for 10 kids, and the Perpetual paper, enough for 10 kids. And then we will also have your Tracking with Jesus Bible book. There'll be 10 of those. Your Bible Memory Buddies, a package of 10. Then we have our Rocky Railway paper boxes. Our Watch for God bracelets, package of 10. Our carabiners, package of 10. And then a pack of 10 name tags. And then these are the stickers that will go along with each of the imagination station. And there's 10 of those. And then we just have the fun Rocky Railway sticker sheet, 10 of these also. And then lastly, what will come in your, basically your do-it-yourself box is the supplies needed for you to make your own VBS boxes. And so right now we have the plastic bags that you'll need to put each of your 10 imagination stations in. And we also provide 10 of the boxes that you'll use to make your VBS Easy Box. So this is how to assemble your VBS Easy Box. Okay, so we'll start by folding up these edges here, and then you're going to fold them down into where these white openings are, like this. And then this piece, these flaps on the edge will fold in, and they should snap into these white holes that you can see here. And that is what will hold the box together, as you can see here. And then to finish it off, we'll close it like this. Okay, and there's one box that is completed. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of these boxes. Okay, and so as you can see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We have our 10 boxes ready. Now, one thing is we intentionally chose these completely white boxes, as we thought this would be just another great activity for your kids to color, to put stickers over, and just to personalize their own VBS box. So we hope that they enjoy that and that you will consider using these boxes. The first place to start is with Imagination Station. And we're actually not going to start with the crafts, we're going to start with the stickers. And we are going to sticker all of our poly bags, all of our plastic bags, before starting to assemble these crafts. And so for all 10 boxes, we're going to need 60 of the plastic bags. We've provided you with 100 here, so you'll have some extras as well. There will be one sticker sheet for each child. And we're just going to go ahead and remove 6 stickers, or 5 stickers, and put them on the 5 bags. And so I'll show you once slowly, so you can see we have the sticker here. I'll just line it up. And there we have the first one. And so I'll do this for each child, or for each box, that is. Okay, and you can see I've stickered the 5 bags. So I'm going to actually keep them separate for now. And let's get a move on. And there we have it. We have stickered 50 bags. Now that we have stickered all of our bags, we are going to move on to bagging the individual Imagination Station activities, crafts. And so we're going to start with the off-rail roller. This is one of the more difficult ones. It has quite a few pieces. So I'll start by dumping in the first bag. Now we have the rubber bands, we have the long kind of plastic straw and the short plastic straws. Okay, so now I'm going to take one of my poly bags and open it up and put in the 4 different components. So we have your, I don't know, I guess the wheelbase, the long straw, a small straw, and a rubber band. And we seal it up. Might want to get some of the air out. And there's a completed one. Okay, so I will continue this for the remaining 9. And then we do have some spare rubber bands in case the little kids break those. In case we need them in the future, we will have those. Okay, so that is the off-rail roller packaging. Now we will move on to the next Imagination Station, which is the Hope and Hover. So let's get this opened up. You can see they're all individually wrapped here. And these are pretty cool little things. I don't know if you've seen these before, but I'm excited about these ones. Okay, so let's package our Hoop and Hovers. So you'll want to put these in at an angle. So that we can still get the whole thing closed. Oh. Okay, so you'll want to do that piece last, and then it'll seal up perfect size. So we specially selected these bags to be the exact size that you would need for each of these Imagination Stations. You can see that there. All right, so I'll get moving. So I'm putting in this first on the flat side, so it doesn't distort that sticker too much, kind of a little pro tip. And then I found that putting in this second, and then put it with the plastic piece facing up, it fits better. And then your 2 styrofoam balls will go right there on top. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to assemble the Bold Blaster, and this one is the easiest. As you can see, they're all individually wrapped, so we are just going to keep them like this and put them inside of our packaging. And now these are the tightest fit for these bags. You're going to want to put the bouncy ball on the bottom. Then you might need to just bend it a little bit, just a touch to close the bag. But they do fit perfectly inside, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to continue on and get the rest of these bagged. Our Bold Blasters are now packaged. Okay, and the next step is we are going to now do our Perpetual paper. I think I said the last one was the easiest, but actually this one is by far the easiest. Okay, so we have our package of 10 Perpetual paper here. Really cool stuff. And we are just gonna pop these in one at a time. Okay, and that is it for the Perpetual paper. And now our final imagination station to assemble and package is, of course, the most difficult. We've saved the hardest for last. And this is the power band. And the reason this is so difficult is small package, but lots of things going on here. Everything has to be separated. Each one comes with 6 of these wood pieces, comes with 6 of these stones, 1 cross, 1 bracelet. We have to separate all of that for each bag. So there's our strings. I'm just gonna do those right here. And you'll notice that there are 5 blue, 5 red, and let's get moving. So just going to start and grab 6. So I'll go 3 and 3 and 3. Same with the rocks. 3 and 3. 1 cross and 1 bracelet or 1 string. Keep these over here. And now I'll do the rest. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, and that concludes the packaging for our power band bracelets. Now the next step in preparing our VBS take-home easy box is to package our Bible memory buddies, and we're also going to put those with our wristbands, the carabiners, and the name tags, and those are all going to go into one single plastic bag. What we have to do first is we have to sort out our Bible memory buddies. We have Sierra. Don't use your teeth, it's not good for you. We have Ava. There's Ramsey. Lawrence the elk. Finn the fish. Just like a nice rainbow trout. Okay, so now you can see that I have my Bible memory buddies separated, and each in their stacks of 10. So now I'm going to go ahead and open up my carabiners as well. Get these ready. Also my name tags, and then our Watch for God bracelets. Now I'm just going to take one of each and put them in the bags. And you might notice I did order these in the correct day order. So if you wanted to, I would take Ramsey, put Ava below, and then Sierra below, and then Finn, then Lawrence Elk, and then you will have them in the order of the days. Not necessary, but a nice detail. And so you can take one of each item. Okay, and I think it looks the nicest to have the name tag on the back, then the buddies, then your carabiner and your bracelet there in the front, so you can kind of see everything that's in this little pack. I'll continue, and I'll see you after. Completes our last pack. And that has the 5 days of the Bible Memory Buddies, has the name tag, the carabiner, and your Watch for God bracelet. So now we have finished all of our packaging, and now it is time to simply assemble everything into our boxes. So here we have our Rocky Railway paper boxes. Okay, and we have 10 sticker sheets here. And then we also have our Tracking with Jesus Bible books. So the order that we're going to go in is we're going to take our paper boxes and put them in first. And they will bend slightly, but there's a crease on the boxes, so it does not damage the boxes. And then we'll do just a slight fold on our sticker sheets. And with the Bible book on top to kind of keep it weighted, but not too much so we don't get a crease on there. And then we will start with each one of our imagination stations. And then with our buddies and other items in that package. And we are done. So that is one box. So I will put these over here and continue with the rest of the boxes. We have finished. So I just wanted to lay out nicely and show you what it will look like when you have finished packaging and completing your essential VBS At Home boxes. So now we have our 10 completed VBS At Home boxes. We'll have an essential bundle that you can find online. I wanted just to show you real quick that you will have a little bit of extra space inside of these boxes, so that if you did want to do any add-ons, such as a t-shirt, a Bandera, the music CD, those are also available and will fit right inside the box. I have here the music CD, and that will fit right inside of there. I have a red Bandera also, and that will fit right inside. And then if you wanted, you can also even put in the theme t-shirt, or if you're ordering custom t-shirts from us as well, with, we can put your church name on any custom shirts that you can find online, and the shirt will fit also perfectly into your box. And if there's any other things maybe you as a church wanted to throw in to the box, then there is still a good amount of space in there for you, and you can seal it up and it's ready to go. So thank you for watching, and God bless.